Now let's continue our practice, this time with the name of countries. Keep a pen and a paper ready and let's begin. Make an attempt. It's okay even if it is wrong. You have the key that you can look at later. So let's start. Listen to the words carefully. Choose the alphabet, choose the vowel, and write them down. The first one is Bharat. 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 The next one is America. America. Notice the vowels here. America. Then you have Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. The next one simple. Italy. Italy. The first one is a short vowel. Next one or the last one is a long vowel. Italy. The next one is Russia. Russia. China. The way it's written in Marathi is Cha-ya-na. China. Japan. Ja-pa-na. Japan. Then we have Peru. That's how we write it in Marathi. Peru. Then you have Nepal. Nepal. And then the last one is Bhutan. Bhutan. Hope you're having fun. Now let's check the answers. Bharat or India, America, Saudi Arabia, Italy, Russia, China, Japan, Peru, Nepal, and lastly Bhutan. Now let's take an example of a few animals and birds. I have the English word here. I'll give you the Marathi word and then you write the Marathi word. Cow, गाय, गाय, गाय. Cat, मांजर, मांजर. Bull, बैल, बैल, बैल. A squirrel is known as a khar, khar, khar. A rabbit is known as a sasa, sa, sa. Crow, कावळा, कावळा, कावळा. A sparrow is चिमणी. Notice the vowels. चिमणी. A pigeon is कबूतर. 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 A parrot is पोपट. पोपट. And birds are known as पक्षी. पक्षी. Let's check. We have गाय, मांजर, बैल, खार, ससा, कावळा, चिमणी, कबूतर, पोपट, and pakshi. Then we go to some famous people. Let's try writing Mohandas Gandhi. Don't be daunted by a long word. Let's break it. Mo, ha, na, da, sa. Mohandas. Gandhi. Gandhi. Mo, ha, na, da, sa. Gandhi. Jawaharlal Nehru. Let's break this syllable by syllable. J, va, h, r, la, l, ne, h, ru. J, va, h, r, la, l, ne, h, ru. Okay, some short ones now. Bose. Bo, s. Bo, s. Modi. Modi. Then we have Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj. Let's listen to that once again. Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj. The next one is Helen Keller. Helen Keller. Helena Keller. Then we have Barack Obama. Barack Obama. Barack Obama. Barack Obama. Then we have Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai. Lady Gaga. The next one is Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga. And lastly, Elizabeth Taylor. Elizabeth. Elizabeth Taylor. Taylor. Elizabeth Taylor. Elizabeth Taylor. Let's check the answers now. We have Mohandas Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bose, Modi, Shivaji Maharaj, Helen Keller, Barack Obama, Sundar Pichai, Lady Gaga, Elizabeth Taylor. Let's look at some cartoon characters. Let's start with a simple one. Jerry. 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 Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. And Mickey is always with Minnie. So Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse. And I'm sure you know Anna from Frozen. Anna or Anna. Then we have Nobita. 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 And then the next one is Doraemon. 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 And then we have Richie Rich. Richie Rich. Richie Rich. Followed by Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. Then we have Ninja Hattori. Ninja. Ninja Hattori. Ninja Hattori. Ninja Hattori. And lastly, everyone loves Mowgli. 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 Let's check the answers now. Jerry, Mickey Mouse, Minnie, Anna, Nobita, Doraemon, Richie Rich, Winnie the Pooh, Ninja Hattori, and Mowgli. Now let's look at a few sentences. We'll start with some really simple sentences, maybe between 2 and 4 words, and let's practice them and let's have some fun along the way. So the first one is Ghar Bug. I'll say the sentence and then you write it. So this one has 2 words. Ghar Bug. Ghar Bug. Ghar Bug. Look at that house. And this is how you write it. Alright, the next one, Phool Bug. Phool Bug. You already know how to write bug, so just try practicing fool. Phool Bug. Phool Bug. Let's look at the next one. Bhook Lagli. Bhook Lagli. Bhook Lagli. Bhook Lagli. And then we have Pani Pito. Pani Pito. Pani Pito. Let's see the next one. Pohaila Chal. Pohaila Chal. Pohaila Chal. Pohaila Chal. Pohaila Chal. And then we have one more. Now here we get into 3 words. Chal, tennis खेळू. चल, tennis खेळू. टेनिस खेळू. चल, tennis खेळू. And another 3 word sentence. मला चकली आवडते. मला चकली आवडते. मला चकली आवडते. मला चकली आवडते. And now we have a 4-word sentence. वडा छान झाला आहे. 4 small words, so no worries there. So just write वडा छान झाला आहे. वडा छान झाला आहे. And another one, आजीकडे मजा आली. आजीकडे मजा आली. आजीकडे मजा आली. आजीकडे मजा आली. And finally, give yourselves a pat on the back because now you are going to write something that you already are doing. मला मराठी वाचायला व लिहायला येते. 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 Congratulations! Now you can start writing in Marathi, start with small sentences, and keep practicing. See you later.